a girl like her. It's truly a dream come true. Out of all the flowers in the world, she belongs to me, yeah. But it was just my imagination once again, running away with me. Ooh, it was just my imagination running away with me. Oh, mother, oh, mother of mine, I've been blind. The things that you're telling me, yeah, I really didn't pay no mind. Oh please, forgive me, yeah, I know I was wrong, but now I know, yeah, my place, and can't you see I've been crying? He's been crying, I know you wanna leave me, but I refuse to let you go. Now if I have to beg and plead for your sympathy, I don't mind, 'cause you mean that much to me. Ain't you proud to beg? And you know it. Please don't leave me, girl. Ain't you proud to plead, baby, baby? Please don't leave me, girl. I said, baby, don't you go. I said, baby, don't you go. I said, baby, don't you go. Baby, don't you go. I'm gonna take you to school each day, and for you to pass my name, and bells start to ring, and angels start to sing, hey, that's the girl for you. So what are you gonna do? Hey, little girl, I love you so. All I do is think of you day and night. That's all I do. I can't get you off my mind. Think about you all the time. Woo, woo. Back in school, we used to dream about this every day. Did it really happen? The dream just fade away. We started singing and they said it sounds cool. So we started a group, so here we are, kicking it just for you. Back again, doing a little Midwest sway. It's for sure we going on down. Chardonnay. Let the song play. Hold up. I know this. She love the way I'm doing it. I won't put my tattoo on it. Bottom line is, you find it. Say you ain't doing it. What's that magic? Hold up. Whoa, yeah. Chugging slowly, and not only that, wanna every morning and patrolling, girl, we floating. What? Street lights on. And you know I gotta go until it's early in the morning. Ain't all alone. I'ma take my time, doing how we do it. Girl, I got some money, yeah, Chardonnay. Let's let the song play the long way. Let the song play. Let the song play. Let the song play. Let the song play. This was all inspired by a little money, yeah, Chardonnay. Let's let the song play. This is an original. By yours, too. Hey, already blown. Y'all ready to go? Yo, want y'all to rock with me for a minute. What up, ladies? Yo, ready? Hey, yo, let's go. She's so amazing. She should be mad. It's kind of crazy. All the things you do. I feel like my NASCAR already. I gotta be sleep. And I'm ready to go. We're on the dance floor and she moving so slow. This girl so tempting, I wanna reach out. The way she dancing got me in a trance, and I'm mesmerized, straight up hypnotized. Her body's off the chain, the way she move that thing, I'm about to go insane, feeling like we're ready to blow. The way she shake that thing is out of control. The way she move on the floor. This girl so sexy, she must have fell from above. It's kinda crazy, she got a thing for her. I'm like a soda and I'm shaking all up, and I'm about to explode. They tried to tell me that I should be her, but we just dancing till the earth. I'm like a rocket and I'm about to blast off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Her body's off the chain, the way she move that thing, I'm about to go insane, feeling like I'm ready to blow. The way she shake that thing is out of control. The way she move on the floor. I said I'm ready to blow. And if you feel the way I feel, then get on up on the floor. I said I'm ready to blow. And if you feel the way I feel, then get on up on the floor. K-Trans up. Baby girl, you the one night. Come and up in my crib tonight. Like that I can't go. Keep facing your energy way. You got a good way that I wanna taste it. Where this rhyme, so when you catch it for your lady, it's go down. Her body's off the chain, the way she move that thing, I'm about to go insane, feeling like I'm ready to blow. The way she shake that thing is out of control. The way she move on the floor. Well, they get Louis tied down and we rockin', I'm rockin', and we rockin', but what we gon' have is dessert or disaster. I never thought I'd feel love like this. When I look at you, my mind goes on a trip. And you came in, knock me off my head. It's like a mirror, but I And it'll knock you down. Just get back up when it knocks you down. Knocks you down. And sometimes love comes around. And it'll knock you down. Just get back up when it knocks you down. Knocks you down. Nobody knocks you down. Never to return again, but always have my heart. So, this love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before. And her heart is breaking in front of me, but I have no choice, 'cause I won't say goodbye anymore. I tried my best to feed her appetite, to keep her coming every night, but you're so hard to keep satisfied. You put your love like it was just a game, pretending to be the same, turn around and leave again. Oh, this love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before. No mommy, come get the gin. Here's the last one. Check this out. We got a happy ending. Come here, right here. I'm finna give you a happy ending right here. That's here. Yo, y'all ready? Yeah, ready. Now, baby, tell me, have you ever heard the story about a girl you love, the girl? And this girl, she was his stepdad. She was his stepdad. The very center of his world. Then came the rain. Didn't understand. She said that she was leaving, never to return again. He asked her why she began to cry. She didn't wanna hurt him, but it's hard to say goodbye. Now do you believe in a happy ending? 'Cause you have my love from the beginning. There's gonna be some joy and some pain. You gotta take the sun with the rain. But I'm saying now, do you believe in a happy ending? Now if you with me, let me hear you say, so baby, when you wish upon the star, wish upon the star, because she's away from here. Yeah, you made it come. She been through it all. She did not wanna fall. Can we give it one more try? 'Cause baby girl, I think that you passed me by. Now do you believe in a happy ending? 'Cause you have my love from the beginning. There's gonna be some joy and some pain. You gotta take the sun with the rain. But I'm saying that, do you believe in a happy ending? But you gotta believe in love and all that it can do. And understand that happy endings do come true. Say, yeah, now do you believe in a happy ending? 'Cause you get my love from the beginning. There's gonna be some joy and some pain. Joy and some pain, some with the rain. But I say, oh, do you believe in a happy ending? Now if you in me, let me hear you say, for sure, in the building. Thank you all for coming out. We appreciate it.